Welcome to the Whiting Law Group. My name is Tim Whiting. I founded Whiting Law Group 20 years ago out of my apartment. What I really wanted to do was represent people that were injured and victims of the negligent conduct of large corporations and companies. People that are injured or killed in these serious crashes needed someone to fight for them. And I'm very proud to say that 20 years later, we have now built a great trial lawyer law firm and team to fight for our clients who are victims of the serious trucking crashes around Illinois and the nation. I grew up in a small town in Wisconsin. I used to work on a farm. I worked for a couple of construction companies. I came to appreciate that heavy machinery like a semi-truck, if operated safely, can do what it's supposed to do. But I also learned in those experiences that if they're not operated safely, they can cause a lot of harm. That is why I have committed my firm to representing victims of these serious truck wrecks. A common mistake trial lawyers and the general public make are to think that a truck crash and a car wreck are the same kind of case. They are not. Truck drivers and truck companies have federal and state regulations and safety rules they must follow every single time they operate a 60 to 85,000 pound tractor trailer out on our roadways. And the reason that those rules are in place are to protect the public from harm. That intricacy, if not known by a lawyer, would not be representing a client fairly. At the Whiting Law Group, we have made the decision to solely represent victims of truck crashes. To do that, we had to develop a winning process. And that winning process is simple. First, we had to learn exactly how a truck operates. Our lawyers have obtained their commercial driver's license, a CDL. The CDL training, knowledge, and driving of a semi-truck allowed us to understand the differences of operating a semi-truck and operating a car. Number two, our truck accident trial lawyer team are trained in handling trucking crashes. I personally have become certified as a truck accident trial lawyer by the National Board of Trial Advocacy. To obtain this certification, I had to prove my skills, knowledge, experience, and success in handling truck wrecks. This certification has allowed me to train the truck accident trial lawyer team at Whiting Law Group on how to win truck accidents. The third piece of our winning process is we had to learn how to tell our client's story in the most effective, powerful, genuine, and authentic way. In recognizing the importance of telling our client's story, we built a state-of-the-art focus group room. The feedback that we get from these focus groups on each one of our clients' cases allows us to know what is the most effective, powerful, and honest story to tell when we actually step up in front of the jury. The fourth and final piece of our winning process is we have formed an emergency investigation truck accident response team. Our emergency response team can be at the scene of a wreck within 24 hours of the crash occurring. This allows us to obtain critical evidence to be able to prove how this truck wreck occurred, and also to preserve evidence that otherwise might be lost or destroyed by the truck company and their insurance. Having this team allows us to even the playing field against the insurance and trucking companies. If you'd like to talk to us about a truck accident case, we would be honored to sit down with you and discuss it.